Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change search engine to a custom one on ASUS Zenfone 10. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now I'm gonna use yahoo.com search engine. So you have to go to the yahoo.com site, and now you have to search something using this search engine. And after you search something, you can go to settings, and now you can click on search engine option, and in the recently visited you should have your custom search engine. And now if you go back, you can see that I have yahoo.com set as my search engine. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.